Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Strava with Claude. So this is a new option that you can do it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now open Claude.ai in your web browser. Expand the sidebar here on the left side and click on Customize. Alright, now we will click here on Browse Plugins, and right here under the connection you will see directly Strava beta new. So it's the new thing here. Click on it and then just click here on the connect, continue. So you will be redirected to the web page to create an account like so. Okay, create account. And when you finish with all of this process, you will have successfully connected your Claude with Strava. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.